Yeah, it is. Like my hood now?
The backs are pretty easy. The fronts.
Yeah.
Especially because of this.
Everything in the front suspension is right here.
That's how I like
No, that's the thing I was telling you. You gotta like push back again. So you literally just stab it in the hole, like put it in the hole and just shove. Not so much, but you know.
There you go.
Yeah, I gotta put the power steering pump on it. Cool. Power steering pump.
Just a little back power of YouTube magic.
Yeah.
Explain your little U-bar over. Explain your little U-bar over here. That was like basically you can undo your whole front end from right there, huh?
Yeah. So we made it unboltable. So bash bar is going to bolt in here, and this frame rail can unbolt, and then the upper tower unbolt, and you can take the whole front suspension.
Bro.
If I ever stuff it again.
And then the weak crumble bend is right here, huh?
Yeah, just close to make not the factory stuff crunch. So that's why everything's bolted. So if I get an impact, the bolts will shear, hopefully before those will bend more. Whatever.
Nice.
Oh god. I scratched it. I'm sorry.
All the other knees are on